Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Wells Fargo debit card online. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new Wells Fargo debit card and keep it next to you. Find the card number and the expiration date on the front of the card. Turn the card over and locate the security code near the signature area. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Type Wells Fargo.com in the address bar and press Enter. On the home page, look for the Sign On button and click it. Enter your Wells Fargo username in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. Click Sign On to access your account. If you do not have online access yet, click Enroll and follow the prompts to create an account. After signing in, go to the main account dashboard. Look for a menu option such as Card Services or Manage Cards. Click the section that shows your debit card details. Select the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Carefully enter the debit card number when the system asks for it. Enter the expiration date exactly as shown on your card. Enter the security code from the back of the card if requested. Confirm your identity if Wells Fargo asks for verification. Complete any one-time code steps sent by text, email, or app notification. Review the information on the activation screen for accuracy. Click Activate, Submit, or Confirm to finish the activation request. Wait for the confirmation message that says your card is activated. Sign out of your Wells Fargo account for security. Test your card by making a small purchase or checking your balance at an ATM. Set up or confirm your debit card PIN if the website prompts you to do so. Turn on alerts and notifications in the app or website to monitor card activity. If activation fails, contact Wells Fargo customer service using the number on the back of your card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.